Hey guys, your boy King Leo. I'm coming at you with a quick video right now. I didn't plan on making a video, but since I'm making something, I'm gonna just show real quick because people think this is complicated, but you can make this very simple. I'm gonna make cheesecake. So these are the things that I'm using. So I have 2 bars of cream cheese right there. I have them in a bowl. You want it soft, so you want to have it sit out. It hasn't sat out long enough, so I'm gonna put it in the microwave for a little bit to get it soft. I have 2 eggs. I have some lemon juice. You can use real lemon. I have some imitation vanilla flavor. You can use real vanilla extract. And I have a graham pie crust. And that's where we're going to place the cream cheese mixture in. So, first thing I'm going to do is heat this up, get it soft. Then I'm going to add the lemon, the sugar. I forgot about the sugar. The vanilla extract and the eggs. And then we're going to place it in the crust. Okay, so I have everything mixed, and the sugar that I added was 2/3 cup of sugar. So that's the amount of sugar you want to add. Now this is the mixture. You want it to look really smooth. Mine is not smooth. I'm not using a mixer. I was just using a spoon and this right here. So it looks lumpy. Hopefully it doesn't look lumpy once it cooks. So we're gonna add this to the crust now. Okay, I placed the filling in the crust. Now I'm gonna put it in the oven. The oven is at 350, and you're gonna cook it for about 30 minutes. Then after that, you're gonna take it out, let it cool. And after it cools, you're gonna place it in the refrigerator. Okay, I've taken the cheesecake out. It's been in for 30 minutes, and I'm gonna let it cool now. I have it like sitting on a rack. It's gonna cool, and then after that, you can cover it up with the like the plastic lid that came with it, and just set it in the fridge until it's nice and cool, and then it'll be ready to eat. Okay, so I covered it and I placed it in the refrigerator. So now I'm just take the covering off so you can see it. Hey, that's it. That's the cheesecake. All you gotta do is slice it now, and it's ready to be eaten. Okay, so I'll cut a slice of the cheesecake, and now I'm just gonna add a little extra to it. I'm gonna take this Hershey Sundae chocolate cream fudge, and just drizzle it some on top.